Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use reverse prompt engineering in ChatGPT. So basically, what reverse prompt engineering is that you provide ChatGPT with some information to take as an example and then reverse prompt it to give you a prompt that will give you a similar output. So first of all, we're going to open up our browser. Then we're going to open ChatGPT. Now first, we're going to let ChatGPT know what we want to do. I want you hit enter. So here ChatGPT has said that it can help us with reverse prompt engineering. Now we're gonna ask ChatGPT to give us an example. Can you give me an example of reverse prompt engineering? Enter. So here ChatGPT has given me an example of reverse prompt engineering. So here I have this book called How to Take Smart Notes. Now, if I scroll down, I have an article here that is a book summary of this particular book. Now, what I'm going to do is use this article as an information for ChatGPT to give me a prompt that will create a similar article. Now, I'm going to copy the text of this article. So, for that, just click on these three buttons right here. Click on this button right here and click on cached and click on text only version. From here, I'm just gonna take the article part of it. For example, I'm just gonna go from here, go above it, and I'm just gonna copy up to it. Just Control C. Now come back to ChatGPT. Now we can command ChatGPT to reverse prompt engineer this text while including the writing style and tone and make sure that the prompt is a detailed one. I want you to reverse prompt engineer this text. I'm just gonna put the text in square brackets to put more emphasis on this. In this text, while including the tone and writing style, and also make sure that the prompt is a detailed one for producing good results. Hit enter. So here ChatGPT has said to me that it will be happy to reverse engineer a detailed prompt for me. So now I'm just gonna paste in the text and hit enter. So here, as you can see, ChatGPT has provided me with a detailed prompt on the basis of the input that I provided it. So now just copy this prompt right here and just paste it in here and hit enter. So on the basis of the prompts that I provided it has given me a detailed article. As you can see, it has also given headings and numbers to each headings as well, and it has given me a pretty good article. Now you can even customize the article. For example, let's say, can you elaborate more? Can you elaborate more? Or make it more lengthy, let's say. Enter. So here, as you guys can see, it has given me an even better article on the prompt that I provided it. So that's pretty much it, and that's how you can use reverse prompt engineering in ChatGPT. Hope you guys liked it. Thanks for watching. Bye.